2024 we made the first attempt to come to DLFF 1096. However, coming closer to the road, found out that there is no chance of getting through. So in 2026 we started from the opposite side, this time from the small village group, and also by foot with a trolley and a large backpack. Farmer said to us they currently don't go there because there is a bigger number of wild pigs in the area, which are also damaging the meadow up the hill. So a bit mixed feelings when going aboard. And at about a half of the way, we also saw the first damages done by the wild pigs.
Wer?
Der war damals Kommunist.
Coming closer to the Buchberg area, we saw the extreme mass of felled trees done by the harvesters during the past 2 years. The whole area was infected by the bark beetle, and hopefully the area can be renaturized during the coming years with a mixed wood population.
Schaut da überhaupt aus? Das ist eine künstlich da unten.
Was?
Das ist ein wenig künstlich der Weg.
Ja.
This planned location would have been here, but we decided to go better a bit further and coming to a more free position.
Ja. Das da oben ist der Buchberg, ja. Ja.
Now reaching almost the end of the way. Carry the trolley above the small water, the water from the Zinnbächlein, and made our camp and make our camp just a few meters later. Seems to be a good point for the setup here.
Männer,
Bitte?
da können wir gleich aufbauen. Ey.
Oscar Kilo 1, Papa Tango Romeo.
Oscar Kilo 1, Papa Tango Romeo. Hello, you 5 and 9.
Yeah, you are 5 9 past 10. Hello, Manfred. My name is Petr, Papa Echo Tango Romeo, and you were my first CW contact last year. I think it was end of May. So thank you very much. I got to reach you on the sideband.
Yeah, Roger. Maybe we do meet again later on CW. Thank you, Peter. 44. Ahoy, ahoy. Bye-bye. Delta Lima 2, India, Alpha, Japan. Hallo, Stefan. 509.
Ja, super, Manfred. Danke. 509. Noch schöne Kurse und danke für neue Referenz.
Dankeschön. 44, Stefan. Bye-bye. QRZ. Oscar November 7, Romeo November. Hello, Eric. You 5 and 9.
Hello, Manfred. Good afternoon. You're also 5 and 9, and also Oscar Quebec 7, Quebec 5 and 9.
QSL, Oscar Quebec 7, Quebec. Also 5 and 9 in the log. 73, Eric. Bye-bye. QRZ. Hotel Mike Bravo. Italy Kilo 3, Hotel Mike Bravo. Hello, you 5 and 9. Thank you, 44. Good luck. QRZ. Zulu, Papa Zulu. Papa Zulu, come again.
Hotel Bravo 9, Delta Papa Zulu, good afternoon, in Open Flight SCCL in Geneva, QSL.
QSL, Hotel Bravo 9, Delta Papa Zulu, you 5 and 9. 73, bye-bye.
Papa Echo 1, Romeo, Mike, Oscar.
Papa Echo 1, Radio Mike Oscar. Hello, you 5 and 9.
Well, 5 and 9 years old, beautiful signal. Thanks for activation. Bye-bye, Test 3 and 10
Thank you, 44. The Oscar November, come again. Oscar November, please.
Kilowatt Yankee.
The Oscar November, please. Oscar November 3, Radio Victor. Hello, you 5 and 9.
Yes, 5 inch, 73.
Thank you, 73. Delta Lima 4, Sierra Zulu Bravo. Grüß dich, Peter, 509.
Ja, ich grüße euch auch. 5 9 plus 10. Alles Gute, viel Spaß.
Dankeschön, 44, Peter. Bye-bye, QRZ.
Delta Lima 2, Yankee, Yankee.
Delta Lima 2, Yankee. Hallo, Dietmar, 509, okay?
Okay, hallo Manfred. Ebenfalls 5 und 9. Danke.
Dankeschön, 44, bye-bye, QRZ. Delta Lima 3, Yankee Echo India. Hallo, 509, okay?